Hi everyone, happy weekend to you all my lovers, all my supporters. Honestly, you guys are really amazing. I never knew you guys love me like this. Hey, I am so happy, guys. I am so super excited. You know, one thing I come to realize in life is that when you are not doing something, or when you are not into difficult life, I don't know how to put it, pardon me anyway I put it, you will not really understand that people really love you. When you are just in there doing your thing, you will be thinking, I just want to stay, I just want to be alone, I don't need friends, I don't need anybody, friends are not good, friends are bad, friends are this, friends are that, friends are this, friends so hey, I don't want to, I want to stay my own, no, hey, who stay on? It's a lie. Big lie. We need each other. Oh my God. Honestly, this topic will be coming up on my page soon. We need each other. You in there that is saying friend is not good though, hey friend though, run for friend though, friend is very bad though. Did you really check yourself? Did you really check yourself? Do you really check yourself and find that what you are really doing wrong that really make those your friends running away from you, make those your friends hate you? You know, there is one thing our parents taught us. Sorry guys, the noise. You know, there is something always Yahweh begi aya boyenedo. Agree or not? You know, sometimes me, how I really keep friendship is what I will be discussing with you guys, just maybe 10 to 12 minutes. How I keep my friendship. But although it hurts, but I don't care. I don't give up. I still keep on doing it. Do you guys know why I keep on doing it? I keep on doing it because I always see the result in a positive ways, not in a negative ways. That's why I always keep on doing it. Even if I trusted you today, I keep you as a friend. I pour my heart to you and you turn around to stab me. It never weigh me down. Ask me why. Ask me the reason. Do you know why it never weigh me down? Do you want me to tell you? Because it never weigh me down because you are stupid. Because you are so stupid. Do you know why? I trusted you. I believe in you. I pour my heart to you. The next thing, you started looking for trouble so that you can bully me with those things. Friends we meet. Is it really necessary? For me, it's not. It's not important as well. So for that reason, that's why I said you are stupid. You know, sometimes friends are good. Do you know why I say friends are good? I mean, this I brought today is not because of my mom, my dad, my brother, my family. No, because of friend. We eat in the same plate. I always make her hair for her because I'm a stylist when I was in Nigeria. And we still rent house from them too. Just they are our landlord. Yeah, because of my kindness, my good character, my humbleness. I must praise myself because I'm so humble. But when you try to just break yourself that you are too much, trust me, I will crush you. And when I crush you, you will start shouting, she's a bad person, she don't have character, she's a this, she's a that, she's a this, she's a that. Do you really check why I crush you? Because you want to take my kindness for stupidity. Because you want to step on my toes. That is the reason why I crush you. I adore friends. I appreciate friends. Because friends made me. Friends made me who I am today. Just 2006-07. When I was busy doing those hair, gisting, eating oil rice together, I just call, babe, I do papa rice. So I never knew it's going to take me to this level. Friends are good. Try and keep friends. And when you keep friends, I just want to give you a expo. I want to give you a expo. When you keep friend and you see that's your friend, monitor him or her. How you will really know your bad friend. How you will really know this friend is a bad friend. Let me do away with it. When you are keeping that friend, every time calling your telephone, did you shit today? Did you piss today? Did your husband kiss you today? Did your kids went to school? Did your kids bath? That kind of friend, be very vigilant and sensitive. Be very smart, because it's on mission. Yes, you see friend that will call you, that will discuss how you can move on, that will discuss how you can achieve it in life. Let's do it like this. Let's evolve into this business. When we evolve in this business, honestly, trust me, we will gain something from it. Those are friends. Keep them, adore them, respect them. But you see those that will come, hey, buy the heaven, or maybe not so. Those friends, run for them. They are on mission. Ask me the kind of mission they are into. I have answer to that mission. Maybe those kind of friends, where then find out about them. Maybe they didn't meet up in life. They didn't meet up in this abroad. And maybe they have find out about you. They have seen that, no, God is really blessing you. They will want to drag you to their level. They will want to drag you to their level. Don't agree. So just take off. Just tell that friend, you see how I really do it? Not that you are from me. You don't need it. You don't want anybody to draw you to the moon. But you see those friends that we always call, babe, how is life today? How are you doing? I hope the family is blessed. What is the next level now? What are we going to do? This is the business that is on board now. It's really booming. Do you really want to participate on it? Those are friends. Keep them, adore them, appreciate them. Guys, I just want, in the next 3 minutes, I will be ending it here. You see those keys that you will use, those 3 keys that you will use to know good friend in your life and bad friend in your life. Let me drop those keys before. 1, any friend that will always call you that wants to know how you are moving your life is not a friend, is on mission. 2, you see any friend that will greet you, you will greet her after gist, will be asking you, is your husband, is your husband, is your husband this, is your husband that, is on mission. That is not friend. Okay? Number 3, friends that will always bring that will always bring negative gist to you. I called it negative gist. Maybe the other of her friend offended her, or the other of her friend told her secret. Then after that, he will bring that same secret to you and share it with you. I call them gossipers. Anything, because your best friend have best friend continuously like that. How I keep my friend? If you are my friend, whatever we discuss, all my friends, they know, they will come across this video, they will say, this woman, anything we discuss, we end it there. You don't expect me to call the other of my friend or telephone again and say, babe, do you know what is going on? This. I don't do that. And if you have friends that have that kind of attitude, be careful and be wise. That's why I named this little advice. Friends are good, friends are bad. Choose wise, be wiser than serpent. Be very vigilant when he comes to friends. Not that friends is not good, they are good. And number 2, when you always complain that my friend do me this, my friend do me that, my friend do me this, just sit down. Many friends have offended me, they have hurt me, and I sit down to realize what really break this thing. What really happened this way? Why some I'm so 100% right? Why some they are also 100% right? Then I will amend my mistake, because I don't want the same thing to repeat himself again. Keep friends. Friends are good. Sometimes in the time of need, friends are good. Sometimes we say friends in abroad, this. We are each other family. Our mom, our dad, our brother, sister, they are not here. Even though they are in abroad with us, we are not in the same city. They are far away from you. Anything should happen now, before you will take flight or train to your city, people there will rescue you first. So choose friends wisely and be very, very vigilant. Shalom. I love you. Happy weekend. Bye.